He's so cute. Don't lick the blanket. They're not for you. Your little nose? You see your little nose? Your little tongue is out. Well, thank you. Thank you for the kisses. Did she blink with her eyes closed? I think you closed your closed eyes. Aww. You're so soft. You're so soft with your cute little nose. Did you see her blink? Her ears are starting to open up. I wonder if she can hear us. Can you hear us, baby? Oh, that one did. Tiniest boop. Oh, we're getting a little bit of an eye open, right? Right there. Just starting. Hello, sweetie. She's so cute. I didn't do it, officer. Guilty. I'm innocent. She was like, okay, I'm good. Look at your little tongue. You see? And yawn. Yawn. Let's do our puppy exercises. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and up. And 1, 2, 3, and up. And 1, 2, 3, and up. Good job. Okay, let's try. Let's try the upside down. That. Please don't put me upside down. I don't like it. Let's go upside down. Shh, 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 shh. You're okay. You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. You want to turn over? You can turn over. There we go. Bloop. Bloop. Oh my gosh. Joy, honey, I'm making a video. I need you to give me a minute. You can play with them in just a minute. I promise.
I need to brush my teeth.
You don't need to brush your teeth. We're about to have dinner. What are you talking about?